In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can rotate a video in CapCut. It's simple and easy. So upload your video, import it, and now you add it to the track here. So on here, you can, choose to rotate some part of your video. So if you want to do something like that, you need to split the video and then select the splitted parts and then rotate it. If you want to rotate all the video too, you can, go forward and rotate all of it. So to rotate it, these are the options here. You can see they've added a lot of options. After you update it, you are going to see a lot of these options here on the track. So this is it. So you can see rotate here. So do you know why the whole video has been rotated? Because I didn't split. So now let me revert my action. You get it? Now I want to split some specific part of a video. So I come here. Splitting is Ctrl+B. I love the shortcuts. And then I come here. You can see the cuts there, and another Ctrl+B to cut. You get it. Now I select the splitted part and I move here to rotate it. You see? And now I come here and you are going to see it's been turned back. So now let me come here and play the video and show you guys. I hop into the cut, so it's been rotated. Now let me come here. I want to forward everything so we don't keep long in this video. Good, it comes back. So that's it on how you can rotate a video in CapCut. Whether you want to rotate the full video or some part of the video, that's how you can do it. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on CapCut. You can check that on my channel. So that's it for the video. Peace.